Step 2 of our basic pay plan training is called the Force Matrix bonus. This is one of my favorite parts. In step 1, you learned all about our fast start pay, but remember, everything converts from month 2 on to Force Matrix pay, which is actually more powerful. Month 1, you did the work. Month 2 through infinity, AutoShip takes over. Let's talk about the 2x7 Force Matrix and the power of 2. If you put in 2 customers, they would go on your first level. If they gathered 2 each, they'd be on your second level, and you'd have a total of 4 there. If they got 2 each, you'd have 8 on your third level. If they got 2 each, you'd have 16 on your fourth, and so on. This would just keep doubling all the way down, and on your 7th level, you can have 128 people there. Now, it's really important that you understand this is a forced matrix, so you can only have 2 on your first level, and they can only have 2 on their first level, which would be your second level. The reason why a force matrix is so beautiful is because it forces everybody to help everyone else, and folks, that's the key. Let me show you what I mean by that. Let's say that you gathered 50 customers here. Now, you don't have to do that, but a lot of people do, and you'll be really happy if you do, and you'll understand why later, but I just want to teach you why a force matrix is so special. If you gathered 50 customers here, and you could only have 2 on your first level, where would the other 48 go? That's right, they would get forced down under those 2. And then if you could only have 4 on your second level, where would the other 44 go? They would get forced down under those 2 and under those 4, and the same thing would happen with the rest. So whether you're creating spill for someone else out there or receiving spill, spill is a blessed thing. And folks, you have to know, I'm the guy at Christmas that gives the best gifts because I like seeing their faces light up. What better gift can you give than the gift of financial freedom or residual income? Okay, let's go ahead and see how you're going to get paid off of each product sold from all these customers. On levels 1 through 7, you receive $1 per product. Now, folks, this is every month. Remember, month 2 through infinity, it converts to this. So you're going to get this pay month after month as they're buying these products month after month. So if you have a total of 254 customers on levels 1 through 7, times that $1, you would be making $254 a month, and you wouldn't even have to get out of bed to get it. But remember how we also sell packages here? Well, on the packages, you're not going to get paid $1 per level. You're going to get paid $5 per level. So take a look at this. Those same 254 customers, if they were buying packages, now would pay you $1,270. And let's not forget, this is monthly pay, whether you get out of bed or not. Folks, you only need to have 2 customers to be qualified for all this pay. Now, if that's not exciting enough, what if you just gathered 5 more customers for a total of 7? We would then change it from a 2x7 force matrix for your family to a 2x10. What do I mean by that? On level 7, you have 128 customers there. What if they just gathered 2 each? That would put 256 on your 8th level. You would also be earning $1 per product from all those customers. And then on the 9th level, if those 256 from the 8th level got 2 each, you would have 512 new customers. And you would get paid $1 per product there as well. On the 10th level, if those 512 got 2 each, it would put 1,024 customers there. And you would be getting paid $1 per product as well. Folks, look at this. Now, that's over 2,000 customers. Do you think you'll even know all these people? You won't even know them, but I guarantee you you're going to love them. Look at this. If they're all just buying 1 product each, 2,046 times $1 would be $2,046. And remember, they buy the products monthly, so this is monthly pay. But what if they're buying packages? We're going to extend those $5 per package all the way down to the 10th level. That means those same 2,046 customers at $5 per package would pay you over $10,000. And you know what? A month. This is monthly pay. Folks, you would think it just doesn't get any better than this, but it does. Now, that's all 10 levels of pay for just 7 customers. But what if you were to go out and create a lot of spill here and gather 25 customers? We want to reward you for that because you're blessing other families out there. So what are we going to do? We're going to change all those dollars per product on those 10 levels to $2 per product. We're going to double your pay. That means you'd go from $2,046 a month to $4,092. And guess what? The packages, we're going to go ahead and double that from $5 each package to $10. That means those same 2,046 customers could be paying you $20,460 a month. I mean, this is unbelievable. This could change lives out there. And actually, folks, it is. We have a lot of people here that have already gathered more than 25 customers. You get all this pay for just 25 customers. But remember earlier when I said, what if you gathered 50 customers? Well, we would change the pay plan for your family again. We would change those $2 per product to $3 per product. What does that mean? The same 2,046 customers would now pay you $6,138 a month. And you know what? What if they're buying packages? We would change the $10 per package to $15. 2,046 customers times $15, if they're all just buying one package each, would pay you $30,690 a month. Now, folks, about 50% of our customers buy product packages. What does that mean? It'd be somewhere between the $6,000 and the $30,000 a month. So what I want you to know is you get all this pay for just 50 customers. And what did you do? You created Spill for Families out there. You've helped bless other people, and you've got people getting healthy from the products. I don't think it gets any better than that, and this is all monthly pay. Look, I know you're excited right now, but you haven't even seen the best part. It's called the power of pay points. Talk about pouring gas on the fire. Once you understand Step 3, our advanced pay plan training, sleep is over forever. I'm genuinely excited for you. You're about to learn something that's not taught in schools but should be, and it can definitely make you wealthy. Thanks for taking the time to learn about our amazing pay plan. Enjoy Step 3.